let's start off by the very small or stepping stone of the creator economy, which is like YouTube. ठीक है, YouTube में the basic thing is Google AdSense.
Right.
ठीक है. So like what do you think कि at least मेरा जितना creators लोग के साथ interaction हुआ है and वगैरह जो हुआ है, they in India almost all of them say that इतना ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है Google AdSense में. While in the US, in all those countries, they all say कि बहुत पैसा है Google AdSense में, बहुत पैसा है. Means like enough to sustain themselves. Like
100%.
in India, it's not.
100%.
The reason why is what they call CPM, cost
Right.
per metric or something like
Cost per milli.
that. So, cost per milli. Sorry.
Yeah.
So what is it? Can you explain that?
Right. So I'm gonna go a little bit technical on this first. So here's something that you need to know. Cost per milli is, let's say I'm an advertiser. I have ran ads, quite a few. I think for the past 5 years I've just ran quite a few ads. Cost per milli is a metric that the people who run ads always look into. Okay, cost per milli is, let's say I show you an ad, okay, and it counts as one impression. So just like you get impressions on your stories or posts, impression is how many times a particular post has been seen. So cost per milli is cost per 1,000 impressions. So 1,000 times, whenever an ad is shown 1,000 times, it's called a cost. It's called a milli. And how much do I spend as an advertiser for those 1,000 impressions is my cost per milli. Now,
Okay.
Google Ads, which the system by which creators get paid it's called Google AdSense for sure. And what the backend is for us, advertisers to run, it's called Google AdWords, and where we run basically YouTube ads and everything. So there we can set the cost per milli. So how much I'm willing to spend for, let's say, 1,000 impressions. Usually, India being India, the cost per milli is really low compared to what other countries would give, right? So to give you I think I'll go deeper into it later on, but just to give you a strong comparison, I used to write blogs in 2014-13, right?
Okay.
And this is not a new thing, by the way. I mean, if you think that AdSense, this disparity has been post 2015, this is not. I used to write blogs in 2013-14, and I was earning from Google AdSense. That time, Google AdSense was usually on these blogs. And same way, if you click on the blog or people see if you click on the ad or people see the ad, you used to get a money. And that time also, it was whatever I was getting paid in the same niche. Okay, whatever I was getting paid for a click was 1/10 of what a US creator would get paid. Okay, so it was 10% at max. So from then only, we were kind of all these gurus who used to tell us that if you want to earn from online, what you need to do is you need to pick out an US audience, because otherwise you will not get the ads for US, or you will not make. Basically, you are just losing out on 10 times the money. So that is what it is right now. Yeah. It works the same way with YouTube today. The advertisers are not paying as much as as the US advertiser would, and that is why you are also getting less as a creator.
But you mentioned post 2015 से ये disparity नहीं है, उसके पहले भी था. ऐसा क्या हुआ 2015 में?
No, I'm saying that a lot of people, I think around 2015, 2016, people started getting into YouTube a lot more. The post-Geo revolution. That is when people got introduced to the creator economy, right? That okay, I can earn from the internet or creating content. That is why I wanted to just think that okay, it is not something that you get post 2015. It was always the case where the advertisers were just not paying as much as a US company would do.
True. And I am still not like इतना साल नहीं, but साल भर हो गया. I am into this Instagram and this YouTube thing, but I'm still not able to understand कि why the US market is earning more than us when we have such a huge population? Like, why is the CPM rate so low India mein? Means, what do you think is the reason?
It's pretty simple, right? Think about it. The US economy is way better, right? I wouldn't say way better. Don't cancel me on that, but
Hashtag end.
Well, the US economy is, I would say, it's way richer, right? If you think about it, it's way richer. People, the how much people can spend, it's the buying power of an average person is way better than what an Indian person has. That's the truth.
For sure.
Now that is where all the difference is from, right? If the overall economy of a country, or I won't even say economy, I would go by the average per capita income. Okay, so if the average per capita income is low, then, and if I'm targeting, let's say I'm targeting to 10 people in the US, and I'm targeting to 10 people in India. I know that the Indian people, they don't have that kind of a buying power as a US
client.
US person would. So I will not, so I will not spend that kind of a money to acquire an Indian. Then I will spend that kind of money to acquire a US guy. So this disparity in the economy causes the disparity in the CPMs, the advertising budget, and everything. And why do, I mean, it's just simple economics, right? You will look into okay, what is the best, because as a digital marketer, you always look into how to reduce the cost to a level that it's so easy for the company to generate results with the maximum ROI. And that's pretty much the whole thing. Let's say, tell me one brand. Let's say I'm talking about an iPhone. Okay, an iPhone, an Apple would actually, let's say, if they want to make 10 sales in India. I'm just talking about a very hypothetical situation where, let's say, I'm not talking into the branding and everything, but let's say an Apple, if they are selling in US and they are selling in India, they would actually have to pay less to acquire a customer in India. So that is basically how it works. Now, this is not 100% accurate because that goes into like what is the target market and everything. But generally, the cost per conversion, as we call it, it's generally low for Indian audience. Yeah.
I think ये इसलिए भी है ना क्योंकि firstly, as we know that there are not a lot of people who are on the internet as of now in India. अभी भी बहुत कम है. It's still like there is more than half of the country left to come on the internet. And other than that, what I feel is that कि लोग ना अभी भी ads के through खरीदना नहीं वो कर रहे.